The holidays are a time of joy that we get to spend with our friends and families and to give thanks for the blessings that we all have received. But sometimes if you have aging parents and you've gone home to visit for the first time in a while, you may begin to notice that they're having difficulties with different things. And sometimes this can be signs of dementia. Hi, my name is Bill Miller and I'm an estate and elder law attorney in Alabama. And we work with families on a daily basis who are dealing with moms and dads or other loved ones who may have a dementia diagnosis. So some of the signs that you can look out for are, number one, if your mom or dad may have memory loss. It may be things that they're not able to recall, that you notice that, things that are kind of obvious that to you and things that they should be able to remember, and they're not able to remember those things. So memory loss can be one of the early signs of dementia. Number two could be difficulty in performing everyday tasks. Maybe your mom has made the same dish for Thanksgiving dinner for many years, and now suddenly you notice she's not able to do it, not able to recall the recipe or whatever, or there may be other things that they're just not able to do that they used to be able to do. They may be disoriented as to time and place. It may be 2 o'clock in the afternoon and they're talking about time to go to bed, or they may, sometimes it can be bad enough to where they might not even realize where they are, or especially if you go to somebody else's house or something and they're at your house and they say something about being at your brother's house or something like that. Misplacing things. You may notice that they have a difficult time finding their car keys or the remote control to the TV. Now, some of these things we all lose on a daily basis as it is, but if you notice that they're having a difficult time finding things or misplacing things, especially combined with some of these other signs, then it may be a concern that they could, again, have dementia. And finally, they may have mood swings. Sometimes they may go from be very emotional, may go from being really happy to suddenly crying for no reason, and things like that. So it's really important that you look out for these things as your parents age. If they get a dementia diagnosis or if you have early signs of dementia, it's extremely important that you put a plan in place to make sure that they have the legal documents in place so that you or your siblings can provide for their care. You don't want to have to go to court to get conservatorships and guardianships over them. And if you don't have documents in place and the dementia gets too far along, then they won't be able to sign powers of attorney and medical directives and wills and things like that. And you are going to have to go to court in order to get the authority to take care of them. Now, I've written a little booklet called Caring for Aging Parents, the ABCs of Legal and Long-Term Care Planning. This little book talks about how to have the talk with your parents if you suspect there may be a dementia issue. It talks a lot about what documents they need to have in place so that you can provide care for them. It talks about what Medicare pays, what Medicaid pays. And so if that's of interest to you, I would urge you to contact our office and get a copy. So I hope that you enjoy the holidays. But again, if you see some of these signs, and it may be early signs of dementia, and it might be time to talk to them and visit with an elder law attorney who can help you get the documents in place, it will make things a whole lot easier on you. If I can be of help to you, please give us a call at 256-241-6794. You can also visit my website at www.anistonelderlaw.com. I look forward to seeing you.